welcome back to the studio. Thanks for coming back for a new video. Happy Sunday. Today I am going to be doing a straight pour, maybe a galaxy pour. I don't know if I've got my my paints quite the consistency that I want for a galaxy pour, but I had a lot of fun with the last one that I did. It really came out wonderful. So I'm going to do another one. I've got a whole different set of colors on this one, so very excited about it. Also, thank you everyone who attended my auction and who purchased pieces of my art. I got it all shipped out to you. It's on its way. So I just want to say thank you so much for making that a success. And to let you know, you can tune in. I will be doing a Facebook auction. It's not going to be a live. It's going to last for 1 week. I did one a couple of months ago. Well, not a couple of months ago, last year. But that was a success too. So what you'll do is I'll have all the information on each painting, what video it's in, and all the rules and stuff. But I've got a lot of paintings. I want to get them out of here so I can make room for all the new things that I'm making. So keep your eyes out for that. All right, everyone, let's get down on the canvas. Let's start to paint. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so what I've got is a 20 by 20 gallery wrap canvas. I'm playing with the Galaxy Pour again. So I've got some really cool colors. I've used this color palette before. I'm using titanium white, of course, by Amsterdam. My paints are mixed with Liquitex gloss medium, Floetrol, water, and a little glue wall to thicken things up when they were a little too thin. Like my gold was a little too thin. 24K gold. This is the Payne's Gray by Goldens. Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. Liquitex Basics in the Phthalo Green. This is a mix of cadmium yellow from Liquitex Basics and a little bit of the metallic yellow, lemon yellow from Loft. And then this is Arteza's in the pale green. All right, so I'm gonna need 14 ounces of paint. I got a 16-ounce cup. All right, I'm going to put a little bit of white down here in the bottom. I'm going to drizzle in some gold. Paints. Gray. Metallic cobalt blue. Phthalo green. Some of that yellow. Pale green. All right, so what I'm going to do a little differently today is I am going to pour into some gold and white. A little gold there, All right, let's see if we can get lucky with this galaxy pour. Start right here in the center.
I was just somebody longing for someone to hold me. It could be anybody, but you chose me somehow. Now I'm waist deep, thinking about you all the time, like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. You've seen all my bad sides, yet nothing that I do seems to make you wanna run away. Oh, and I'm so thankful that you found me. Waist deep, thinking about you all the time, like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And
Give us a little torch.
doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better. A whole lot better.
Let's open this up.
A whole lot better. A whole lot better. Waist deep, thinking about you all the time, like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better.
Out here on the street, I'm losing my way. You've gotten to me, and that's my mistake. Some might say I can't get too far without seeing your face. Oh, you gave me your heart and took it away. I'm going underground, going underground. Say your loving comes around, going underground, going underground. 'Cause your love is not around anymore. Going underground.
really came out great. I love these greens and blue. Just fantastic. I'm gonna torch this and then I'm gonna bring you guys in. Okay, here we are with the wet result. I love this so much. This deep green mixing with the Payne's gray looks just phenomenal. I love this. I just really love it a lot. All right, we'll see this when it's dry. I'll be right back. Here we are. It dried just fantastic. I love this green combination, so beautiful. Let me bring you in here. All right, that's gonna do it for today's video. I am so very happy with how this dried. It is so beautiful. Got those really large cells here. I love this center with the white kind of fading out here to the dark. It really looks like it's something into deep space, but I'm loving the greens. It just really, really dried great. I'm so happy with that. So I'm gonna get that up on, gonna get some Liquitex gloss on that, and then that's gonna be available for purchase. So thank you so much for tuning in. I will see everybody on Wednesday. Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Bye-bye.